Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to a new session of chemistry class. The last class we have started the chapter air around us. Though we have discussed that we cannot see air but can feel its presence. But can you prove that there is air around us? Yes. We are going to learn an experiment. We are going to do an experiment to prove that there is air around us. Okay, so let's move on to the experiment.
Take a tub, half filled with water. Then take an empty bottle without lid. Turn it upside down and insert into the water. Observe the bottle carefully. We find that water is not entering the bottle. That means there is air. Now tilt the bottle slightly. We see bubbles coming out from the bottle. That is, the air is coming out from the bottle and water starts entering the bottle. Water displaces the air. From this experiment, we conclude that the bottle was not actually empty. It was filled with air. On tilting the bottle, air escapes out and makes room for the water to enter into the bottle.
So children, from this experiment, you understood that there is air even in an empty bottle. Or anything which we say empty is not really empty because it contains air in it. Did you understand anything else from this experiment? Yes, air occupies space. When there was air in the bottle, the water was not able to enter the bottle. When some of the air left the bottle, water entered the bottle. That means air needs space to occupy. Can you prove air occupies space with any other experiment? It's very simple. You just take a balloon, blow it. That is, you are blowing air into the balloon. And you find that the size of the balloon is increasing, which also proves that air occupies space. When air is filled in the balloon, the size of the balloon is increasing. That means it needs space to occupy. Isn't it? Now we have seen some of the properties of air. They are: air is tasteless, air occupies space. Is there anything else? Yes, air has weight. How can we prove that? See an experiment.
This experiment will help you to learn that air has weight. For this experiment, take two balloons. Inflate both the balloons and tie it to a bar and connect it to a stand and balance it. Now, blow out one of the balloons. What do you see? We see that the balance tilted to one side and the balloon fallen down. This experiment proves that air has weight, so the balance tilted.
Okay children, so air has weight also. Now children, in this session we have learned different properties of air. Which are they?
Air is colorless or invisible. Air is tasteless. Air occupies space and air has weight.
Hope you all understood the things learned in this class. Thank you children. Have a nice day.